everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you about a tutorial to fix your MSI Center problem. So basically I just got this new update from MSI Center to the version of 2.046. So in here we have a lesser feature than the previous version before, and this version I have a thing that this usage scenario cannot be accessed normally like the previous version. So when I click the usage scenarios, it just goes loaded and then nothing shows up. I think it is almost all of the MSI user laptops encounter this problem, since I searched for the fix in the internet and a lot of people complain in the comment section in their YouTube videos. So I encountered to this video, MSI Center Your Own Style MSI, and then I post about a the newest update made my usage scenario feature not accessible. Please fix it. And then I made a ticket on it. And then I found out about a post in a forum, MSI forum. I don't know why, but I think I could put the link on the description box so you can look into it. I don't know why after I post this link into the video, if any of you encountering a problem with the new MSI Center 2.046 version, try this method. It worked for me, and I put the link below. MSI better to hire a better customer service officer for this kind of problem. And then I got IP banned somehow. I don't know what made them to do this to me. I don't know why, but I think it works for me. And so you all you have to do is download these three things: Clean Center Master, and no, actually two things: Clean Center Master and MSI Center 2.0.45. In this version you get a better SDK, so people say it like that. I don't know why, but I think the previous version worked good, worked better for me rather than the newest version. So I just choose the Clean Center Master, and then you double click on it, run it as administrator, click yes, and then you can close your MSI Center, and then you click this button. What will this button do? This button will restart your PC and then uninstall completely the newest MSI Center. So after the newest MSI Center, and then your laptop will be restarted, and then you can install the 45 version. Okay, after searching for lots of fix in the internet, I found about this link. MSI Center 2.0.46 user scenario are missing after update from 0.45. Laptop MSI Alpha 17C7D. Just shot my luck. Shot my luck. What the fuck? I just shot my luck out of nowhere, and then I tried this fix to my laptop MSI 15 Bravo, and then I followed the steps. I installed this using Clean Center Master, and then install the previous version. Here is the old one. This is the installation link from the pixeltrain.com, such as storage website. And then if you don't want to download from the link provided there, you can download it, the 45 version from the Microsoft Store. Then basically just follow this step. You basically download old version from App Store. Yes, older version have properly SDK I installed from different sources. Okay, that's a lot of people in here that have the exact same problem. Rather to pin my comment, they decided to ban my IP. I tried this with my mobile phone Wi-Fi touchscreen. Uh, Before I commented with my provider Wi-Fi. Here I just cleaned my 46 version of MSI Center. You can check it on here, install the apps, and then I will search MSI. Nothing shows up about MSI Center and its SDK. And then I will install the 45 version. Click yes, okay, install. Wizard, click finish. Okay, after that you can search MSI Center. Okay, pin it to the taskbar. Okay, a little bit faster to go there. Okay, so the 45 version, like I told you before, like we all know, it has a lot of features than the newest version, like hardware monitoring, performance analysis, recovery, game highlights. Say, okay, so this is the 45 version. I installed like the following steps before. Okay, it has a lot of feature than the newest version, the 46 version. Still an MSI engine like we used to have before. Hardware monitoring such as that, user scenario, okay, balance, extreme performance MSI engine. So I will test the color boost system. Okay, it still works perfectly as before. So you have to okay to this settings and history and uncheck the auto update for the SDK and then the reminder for the features and then okay as you can see before. So you also have to turn off the auto updates apps from the Microsoft Store this way to the profile and then to the settings apps update off. It will let you to turn off the auto updates because the MSI Center also uh, on the Microsoft Store, as you can see. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.